Hello, hello, hello. This is George at Coatings by the Bay, your local new car ceramic coating expert. And today I just wrapped up this beautiful Ram 1500 black truck. Gentleman brought it down from Green Bay. Wasn't too happy with how it looked leaving the dealership. Knew that he didn't want the dealership ceramic coating applied because of past experiences. So he brought it to us. I'd seen a ton of videos showing off Rams in the past. The gentleman wanted to be the next in line to get the full exterior coated on this truck. So everything starts with an exterior detail. It includes a clay bar as well as a chemical iron decontamination. Move into a polish step, which not only removes some really fine micro marring, but it also gives a clean surface for the coating to bond to. Then we move into panel prep, get rid of leftover oil, grease, anything that might affect the integrity of the coating, and then we apply to the full exterior. So paint, glass, rims, trim, plastics, badges, even that cover on the back has ceramic coating applied. The truck will be high gloss, easy to clean, and chemical resistant for years to come. It'll make cleaning up the salts of winter easier, and just keep it beautiful in general all summer. If you're in the market for a new Ram 1500 right now, or any truck in general, I'd love to talk. Send me a text at 920-659-0023. Or you can visit the website, coatingsbythebay.com. Hope to work with you soon, and have a great day.